Working on changing the headlamp on the Honda Fit 2014, and from what I saw on other things, you pull out this thing here that secures the parts in place. So I'm working on that now. Okay, there it is. Okay, and it fell down. Pull it back up. This came out automatically. Looks like it's a little bit icky. And need to pull out the lamp. Maybe it has to be unscrewed. Nope, there's the clip. Right, I recall there being a clip. So just have to figure it out. This feels like a clip. Just have to figure out which way it goes. Hang on. Okay, I wiggled it enough and it came out. So here it is. Now I should be easily able to take out the burnt out bulb. And yeah, it looks burnt out, doesn't it? This is the new bulb. It costs about $12, I think. And I'm just gonna set it back in. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to figure out how to clip it back in. Not really sure. Just gonna try. Now, looking in here, there are these little divots. There's 3 different prongs that stick out, so there's a whole way to put this back in. Now I have to try to see if I can get this to clip back in, and I'm not really sure how to do that. Okay, so if you see this right here, this is the design of the clip. So I'm thinking that this has to hook underneath something so that it can stay in place. I'm just going to try putting the bulb into its socket, but this is bulb grease I'm going to apply first. Okay, I wish I could tell you how I clipped it in, but I don't know. I just kept fiddling and fiddling and fiddling, and it finally went in. So let's see what it looks like here. It's in, whatever it looks like, and it's really hard for me to tell from this angle. Now we have to put back the little rubber circle, but I have to find it first. Where did it go? Here it is. So this is out, and not sure if put it over. Okay, so when I took this O-ring out, I just pulled it out. But now putting it in seems to be a little problematic. So I'm gonna just keep pushing and hope that it works out. Just need something to put pressure on this, so I'm gonna try using these spoons. Those spoons were too big, so I got some smaller ones, and I'm gonna try to wedge one in each corner and then sort of like do like that. You're not going to be able to see me do it, because so just like one here, one here, one here, and the inside, to see if I can lever it over the bulb casing. Okay, it's not working. I think I might have to take the back out of the plug and then out of the bulb and then put it back in, but let me see. So it would look like this and then go in, but let me see. Okay, that worked, and so now I just have to put this. Oh, it didn't. It popped off. Maybe I can just get it to go back on again. I have to wiggle it around and see where the poles are. Like this, I guess. One at the top. One at the top here. Okay, there it is. Ha! And test.